Hey all you flocks, welcome back to Writecream channel. If you want your website to rank on Google search engine or optimize product listings, try Writecream's AI copywriting tool. For blog posts, ads or email stuff, Writecream probably is what all you need. Okay, so in this tutorial, I plan on showing you simple techniques for using Writecream's AI copywriting tool in a way that gets you real results. It helps you make good written material quickly, easy using AI. Go ahead and sign up for an account if you haven't yet. Really so quick and easy. Once logged in dashboard, Writecream's offering magic. For your sales outreach and more, you can generate blog posts plus create cold emails and even Facebook and Google ads. Product list descriptions also. Okay, so to create an eye-catching website headline, start with the website's headline and copy in your copywriting tab. Type your product brand name like Writecream. Hit generate and boom! Writecream gives you a headache in no time. Running ads for writing product or brand descriptions. Hey, Writecream has got that covered, Just pick product brand description generator, type product name and generate. AI generates best value propositions tailored for all your needs. Similarly, Writecream's optimize and voila, your SEO optimized product description is ready. Writecream offers true flexibility. It really is that simple. Try shaping AI stuff so it kinda feels more to your brand voice, Alright, so before using copy, make sure you edit, refine and optimize it. Writecream's free plan gives you some credits, a good way to test things out. Need more? Their premium plans unlock extra features plus bigger word limits. Writecream, total game changer. If you need great content quick. If video helped, don't forget to like, share and comment to Writecream's channel. For more queries, you can reach us out on our website www.writecream.com. The link is provided in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.